Hello, this is Roger with Destinations by DelCastillo. We're at the Residence Inn Marriott at the airport at JFK in New York City. So we're in room 1109, is a one bedroom. So let's get started with this little tour. When you first come in, you got a full-length mirror, of course. Nice little bar area here. Being a Residence Inn is going to be set up with like a little kitchenette, which we have over here, right off to the right, coming inside the door. You're going to have your dishwasher there on the right, mini fridge on the left, a little range top, your sink, microwave, and in the cabinets above, of course, you're going to have place settings for 4 in there. So same with the silverware down below. We'll have some cookware, glasses. We do have a toaster available for you, and of course you're going to have coffee with the coffee maker. Going to the living room area or sitting room area. Nice little couch. It does fold out as a hide bed if you need a additional sleeping area. Nice little desk area. You're going to have plenty of outlets down below. Up top also you have some USB ports in your outlets with plenty of lighting in the area as well. So got some drawers up front here, and of course your nice LG TV. Another quick view. Going to go to the bedroom section here. Of course, it is separated by a door, so you'll have that privacy if you do have somebody else staying with you. And you have the king bed. Off to the right there is going to be your wardrobe area. Nice little seated chair, little table. Another nice big screen TV. Your climate control will be in the bedroom. So that does control for both rooms. You will have an ironing board, and you do have an iron inside the wardrobe if needed. And the extra bedding for the hide-to-bed down below. So you can move that all the way to the bottom if you need the storage space or the hanging space. Then you have off before the bathroom, you do have a little extra couple more drawers, the safe. There is a little cubby off to the left here, which they could probably utilize another way. They do have the sprinkler system there, so maybe they cannot. It is a barn style door that just slides off to the, it just slides for the restroom. Nice little bathroom area. You're going to have a hook, and they do have one towel bar. What they could use, I believe, would be at least 1, maybe 2 more hooks onto the far wall there. Give you more hanging space for either a towel or your clothes if you need to. Nice large shower. It's probably a bathtub at the time. They converted straight to a shower, or they just made it straight to a shower, because this Residence Inn has been open for a year that we found out. Nice thing is they do have shuttle service straight from the airport across the parking lot, which you can actually kind of see out the window, is going to be the actual Marriott. And at the Marriott, they do have a nice restaurant and bar over there. Found out today they do not have a liquor license yet, but they do sell wine and beer. So again, we're at the Residence Inn Marriott, the airport, JFK Airport. There is a shuttle from the airport to the hotel, which is very nice to use. You can utilize that going to and from. They said they have a shuttle going to the airport every 30 minutes. So if you once you finish your business here, you can always grab one of those shuttles. So again, this is Roger with Destinations by DelCastillo. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Subscribe to the channel. We definitely like to help people out when they're traveling and like to answer questions, and we'd love to grow the channel. So enjoy your travels. Thank you. Bye.